Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you enable the search bar here on your Windows 10. So if you are having problems enabling it, then this video is for you. So all you have to do to disable or enable this is go ahead and right click on the taskbar and then go ahead and go over to here on the search, and then all you have to do is deselect the show search box here if you want to disable it, or go ahead and go and hidden to hide it. And if you want to enable it, you just have to go ahead and show search box again. Or if you also want to only show the search icon to save space from the icons here, so all you have to do is go ahead and press this one. As you can see, it only has an icon here, and it will appear a search bar here, which makes it more pleasant for the design. So there guys. So as you can see, it has a couple of options here as well. Show search highlights or open and hover. So as you can see here, you just have to go ahead and explore that by yourself. So okay guys, that is all for today. It is just a quick tutorial for the search bar on Windows 10. Thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.